Welcome back to my channel for the final episode of my weekend getaway trip to Tobermory. If in case you missed the first two parts, please click the link in the description. In this vlog, we cover two beautiful spots on our trip back home from Tobermory. The first one is Lion's Head Beach Park. Showcasing some of the iconic turquoise waters and the dramatic cliffs of the Niagara Escarpment, this beach is a must-see and a perfect place to relax. It is located on the northern Bruce Peninsula overlooking the Georgian Bay. There is an observation deck overlooking the Lion's Head Cliff. Next to the observation deck stands a replica lighthouse. The beautiful vista and rock formation are spectacular to watch from here. Bruce Trail passes through the provincial park, and Lion's Head is well known for many hiking trails. We then headed to Inglis Falls, the largest of the three falls in the city of Owensound. There is something for everybody here. Historical remains of a grist mill, a viewing platform for those unable to see the falls over the stone wall, hiking trails of various difficulties, bird watching opportunities, and a series of geological potholes. This cascade is a must-see in Owensound. Weekend getaway, and it's time to go back home. Until next time, it's me Manoj Kumar Sundar signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.